I got my ass kicked last night. What up, YouTube fam? You already know what I'm doing and where I'm going. Back at it again. Got a couple of showings tonight. Gonna go bang those out. Then I'm gonna get a work session in. Sounded like a hardcore fast rapper. Then I gotta get a work session in. Like at Sec 9 or something, you know? No, just me. All right. Yeah, so super excited, energized. Wasn't too crazy at the 9 to 5, so that is a good thing. Gonna go bang these out, like I said, and can't wait. Hopefully make some do-re-mi tonight and help some people out, more importantly. What up, Tube fam? On my way to the 9 to 5 right now. Hair is a fucking mess. Hair is a mess, dude. I gotta do it when I get there. I got my ass kicked last night. I got my ass kicked. The 2 appointments I went on, both the tenants absolutely fucking hated the place. And I'll explain more later. But right now, I just want to talk quickly about the grind. Like, I'm working my 9 to 5, which is really, for those of you who don't know, 7 to 5. I work from 7 in the morning till 5 in the afternoon. And then from there on out, I go and either go into the city and meet with other clients, or I'm at home on the laptop, either editing these vlogs or trying to generate some leads and farm out some more potential clients, responding to emails, stuff like that. So it's consuming a lot of my time. I was just thinking before I turned the camera on, these are the days that I'm gonna remember. I'm gonna remember driving in my old car, working 2 jobs, or working a 9 to 5 job and then grinding out, trying to build a business after that, during that, before that. It's fun, man. It's gonna be fun to look back on all this and be like, damn, like, look where I was. And it's cool because it's all gonna be documented, so I can just go back and watch it. So it's gonna be awesome. What's going on, guys? Just on my lunch break right now at the 9 to 5. I went to the store to buy lunch because I forgot to pack myself a lunch, and because I'm not a grown adult or anything, and Lily didn't pack it for me, I can't survive. So because she didn't pack me anything, I am not a functional human being without her and can't do anything myself. That being said, I just want to share a little story that happened to me today about the law of attraction. I don't know if you guys are into it or not. I am. Whether it be you're into the universe, God, whatever higher power you believe in, if any, magic, if you want to call it, science, I don't know. However, so I got up this morning, left for work. I was like, damn, I forgot to pack a lunch. I'm gonna have to buy lunch today. And I was thinking, man, I really don't want to spend money on food because I'm trying to save my money. I really want to save my money. I really want to save my money. And I kept saying that. And guess what happened? One of my clients tipped me $20. And literally said to me, here, I want you to buy yourself lunch. So I put that thought out into the universe, and I literally attracted that lunch money to me. And now that's just a small example. I mean, things happen all the time and on a much grander scale, but isn't it funny? Like, it's not just coincidence. Like, there's a higher power out there that gave me that $20. Thank you, God. Thank you, big guy. Appreciate that. Good morning, guys. How you doing? I'm doing great. It's about 5 a.m. right now. I'm going down to my sister's place to help her move into her new place. And then I got some showings a little later today, so I'll be doing that. Back at it again, but I'm gonna head down there right now. Try to bang this out. It's gonna be a jam-packed day. Easy. So let's get after it. I'm sorry?
Are you the only one helping move?
No, we got some people coming.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
That guy is wrong. I feel bad for him. He just offered to help. Poor guy. Fun fact, if you didn't know that I used to do this for a living, I did. One of my first jobs was working for a moving company. I used to drive a 17-foot straight truck and move people in and out of the city. So I found a friend. Check it out, dude. Look at the bod on this one, huh? Look at the bod. Oh. Oh, that is nasty. That's as close as I'm getting, guys. Gotta zoom in now. Oh, dude, in all his glory. Oh, he's got like green eyes, dude. Oh my god. Camera isn't doing any justice, dude. That spider is massive. And I'm an alpha male, so I ain't scared or anything, but God, it's nasty. The cavalry has arrived. This is the advantage of being older than everyone else. You make them do the work. Seniority. All right, we're in the U-Haul right now. So I picked up the U-Haul obviously earlier this morning. Got everything packed in there. On the way back to my sister's new place. That's what family's for, you know what I mean? That's what friends are for. We help each other out when we can. Family first, guys, remember that. So I'm gonna drop this off and then I'm gonna go back home earlier than expected. I'm super pumped about that. And we're gonna get ready to crush the day. I'll give you guys one guess to where I'm going. Back at it again. Right, back at it again, down here on Columbus. I think I was covering the speaker, but oh well. On Columbus Ave, in the south end of Boston, one of the more historic places in the city. About to go show a place right now. It's a beautiful day. As you can see, I got no coat on. Brought one in the car just in case, but supposedly they have a roof deck with a really nice view. So, see how it goes. We're almost at the address. Look at that view of the Prue, huh? It's nice. So it was nice out. I hope you guys liked the tour of that first and second place. First place was on Columbus Ave, where I parked, which I'm going right now. Second one was on Northampton Street, loft style, really cool. Really cool, especially for like a single person. It's like a giant room, but it's cool because you can configure it whatever way you want, and the exposed brick is really nice. It actually almost reminds me of like a place in like New York City, but yeah, pretty cool. Let's see where it goes. woke up from a little mini nap. I feel great. I'm so tired. Like I worked out earlier, and I'm on a new workout plan, and it's like a total body workout, and I'm usually just used to working out one muscle group, but this is like a total body and kick my butt. So always parents, because they're such gracious, generous hosts, have invited us out to dinner to some Italian joint.
Is that how people
So we're
wear
gonna go.
sneakers? Or am I wrong?
And on your feet? Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, great.
Okay.
So we're gonna go enjoy some food.
Huh? Yeah.
I never knew that. Morning, guys. About to get some coffee with the shui. And then I'm gonna head to the track to get a abs slash high intensity interval training, a HIIT workout in, and I'm gonna film it. So you guys get to see kind of like my new cardio routine. I'm a fan of like the Stairmaster, doing like an inclined treadmill or elliptical. But I'm trying to get more HIIT stuff incorporated. So actually I met someone through work who put together a program for me, so I'm doing that right now, and he gave me this workout. So it's my first time doing it. Let's see how it goes. But first, coffee. Chef Lily with the eggs, greens, mushrooms, and
Tuna.
Boom!
You listen to them, okay? If you're trying to be successful in business. I mentor people every day through the podcast, through my Instagram. I don't
Yeah, guys, that is snow.
You ain't got it.
April 15th.
You get asked stuff that you can put out that they don't even find.
Love it. So I made it to the track. I am not going to record, only because it's still raining out. The snow kind of stopped, but it's coming back and then stopping. But I'm just doing this, filming this, just to let you guys know I still came. I went to the gym first and lifted some weights. Now I'm gonna do a couple sprints. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, I appreciate it. I'm gonna end it here. Please thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and if you haven't, are we even friends? Thanks again, I'll catch you in the next one.